So here we are, finally arrived at the amazing JJB Corporation. I've been watching these guys' videos for years now, and we've come for our 2-second lean tour. Very excited. Let's go and see what's in store.
Oh, time for something truly special. This is our look inside JJB Corporation in Mumford, one of the most extraordinary examples of 2-second lean we've ever experienced. Who are they? From their website, they say, here at JJB Corporation, we manufacture a variety of products for both home and garden, as well as business and industrial use. We follow the methodology of 2-second lean to ensure our products and processes are continuously improving and waste is eliminated thoroughly. And I can tell you, they more than live up to exactly this. We brought a group of clients with us so they could see firsthand what world-class looks like. What they saw was a celebration of experimentation, simplicity and joy in the workplace. Our tour group included myself and my partner Elaine, Stuart and Charlie from Nomadic Washrooms, and from Vercovo, Matthew, Beth, Deanne, Jim and Richard, and what they saw changed us all. Alex, JJB Operations Manager, took us on the tour. We began where everything begins each day. The morning meeting. Chris was leading today. They rotate each day who leads the meeting. The team was standing together, stretching to wake up body and mind, reviewing improvements and learning from short daily videos made by their people. A simple tool like Trello board helped run the meeting, yet the conversation was powerful. Everyone participating, everyone contributing, and everybody growing people. It was clear right from the start that great conversations equals fabulous results. Next stop, the toilets, to see 3S in action. Yes, the toilets. Because excellence starts here. A 2-second lean culture starts in the toilets. Immaculate. Simple visual instructions. Everything easy to understand. Daily 3S was happening live as we walked in. Sorry, Chris. He had to mop the floor again after we left. Although I must say, those sloping toilets was an experience I'll never forget. Thank you, Jack. Now into the yard, where we stepped outside and my hands down, the cleanest, most organised yard I've ever seen. And I've been to Toyota sites in UK, Europe and Japan. No clutter, no rush, total calm and immaculate. Yet Alex was not happy with the way it looked today. Wow. From the yard, we moved into welding and laser cutting and met Ryan. What a story. Ryan started in lasers, then learned to weld, and then learned to program robots. He's designed and built the robotic sleeper steak forming cell that you see here, now producing at incredible speed and consistency. What a beautiful example of the business growing its people, and in turn, the people growing the business. Visual controls, help buttons, status boards everywhere. Yes, help buttons. You need help? You press the button and a special tannoy calls out, so actually the operational team don't waste time walking around trying to find help. Stunning. And then Phil at the brake press. His favourite improvements? Making jigs that helps his teammates, making their lives easier that little bit every day. Imagine loving building tools that help others to succeed. Now, time for coffee at the 2-Second Bean Cafe, a beautiful space that shows deep respect for people. No dishwasher, because wash as you go is faster and easier. Sponges right where they're needed, cups stored visually and easily so they dry naturally. Simple, clean, joyful. Then, into the packing and assembly with Anna, who's made hundreds of improvements to make her work easier and more enjoyable. So little cardboard waste that they actually have to carry it to the recycling centres themselves. Their own cardboard cutting machine using offcuts to replace foam inserts. And then the minimum waste powder coating as well. Reusing of old powder coat so they didn't need to reorder black anymore. Wow! Now, dispatch, a thing of beauty. High volume products ready to pick and ship and then replaced through Kanban replacements. A fun, fast, organised packing system with conveyor belts and internal packing literally falling from the ceiling. So much fun, you have to see it. A simple visual board for the few items they reorder so nothing is ever forgotten. And the most astonishing part? Half their was away one week, yet every order still went out the door. Then off we went inside the technology shed with Chris, where we learned that JJB now designs and builds robotic welding systems for other companies, all because they learned by solving their own problems first. Then into the office with Stream Decks on every workstation, a skills matrix on the wall, as at JJB, skill development is pull, not push. What do you want to learn to do? And where do their outstanding products come from? If someone has a problem at work or life, they immediately build a solution to fix it. Quickly, simple, test it and improve it. And just do it to find out. And then they turn it into a product they sell. Outstanding. So our final reflection, what we saw was pride, people smiling, people who care deeply about what they do, people who believe they can learn anything, people can fix what bugs them every single day. Such an amazing volume of work in such a small facility with so few people. Flow was unmistakable, no waiting around, so little inefficiency, but an honest reflection by everyone we met that there was always more waste to be removed all the time. Thousands of tiny improvements compounding on top of each other into something extraordinary, a living example of joy in the workplace. We ended back where we began, the morning meeting area, a perfect reminder of the culture is built step by step. And while we were taking the final picture, the team member who took it for us gladly stopped the improvement he was making to take the picture. Whoa! Yes, he was excited about the improvement he was just making. Stunning. So here's my invitation to you. What small improvement will you make today? What's bugging you right now that you could fix to improve your life by just 2 seconds? Because greatness isn't built in giant leaps. It's built by an amazing ordinary people making tiny improvements every day. So my huge thank you to JJB Corporation at Mumford, to Alex for the tour and to Jack Bussey for the inspiring owner who built this stunning culture. You inspired us. You're an example to the world of what is possible when you grow your people. Cheers.